inside the 5 Series. It's been a while since I've been in here, man. It's been mad long. Wow long. So what is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Real Money, back with a better sweet life. And today we're gonna do a whole button change, man. A whole interior button change on the 5 Series. As you can see, these are a little dingy. And I just wanted to match a little better. I have something that I'm not gonna install today because it's just not the day. It looks like it's gonna rain at any time. Sun's going down. Today I was at M-Tech Dyno Day, or M-Tech Performance Dyno Day at SFL Dyno. So that took up most of my day, and I'm not gonna get all of it done today regardless. It's been raining all day. Luckily over there at the shop it wasn't bad at all. But yeah, man, it's not gonna be a long video. It shouldn't be too long of a video. I don't know if I'm gonna do everything right now, but if I do, I don't know, I'll keep y'all posted. Y'all gonna see. Let's see. Alright, y'all, so for this one I'm gonna be changing out the AC buttons, man. I got the park button, I got the auto start stop, and the engine start stop. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the engine start stop and stuff today, but I am gonna do these, man. I am gonna do these. But first, I'm gonna take a picture. Alright. Bro, it's just as easy as getting this small flathead, tiny little flathead. Alright, just putting it in the inside or behind it and just popping them out. It gets a little stuck in there, kind of goes back into place if you don't take it out properly. So, and make sure you take it out properly. See, I just pushed it back in. It's that easy to push it back in. Literally just snap right in. There we go. For some odd reason, I feel like it's easier on this side than it is on the left side of these buttons. I know it seems counterproductive to go on the side where another button is, but it's not. Alright, man, so seems like out of all the buttons, maybe only broke one, so that's not too bad. Now, for reference, I'm gonna use the picture I took. I think I decided to take a picture because that would have sucked. Real straightforward. Just pop them in. Really pop them suckers in. You know what I mean? I believe this one will go here. It's the AC button. Alright. Am I wrong? Am I right? Am I wrong? Am I right? I think I'm right. AC. And man, I'm gonna just get back to y'all when y'all see I'm back in there. Alright, y'all, we are back, and that easy. We got them all in there, man. All in there. They all work perfect. No sticking, no nothing. It's perfect. It all works. Now, as you can see, they also gave you these blockers, since I don't have the heated seats or anything. They also give you the blockers in silver, because I plan on eventually changing the seats to the M5 seats. And from my understanding, those come with like the seat heaters or whatnot. I asked for a set of these, man. I sent a set of these. All right, now these I will eventually, all this stuff, I will eventually be offering it on my website. I'm just testing it out to make sure everything is what it is, you know. So my only gripe with this is, if I really had to like be honest, mine says sync, here it says all. It's not a big deal. I know some BMWs come already with all, so, but for me it said sync. I like the sync word instead of all, but it is what it is. And then here, instead of max AC, it just gives you the little snowflake. Over here gives you also another snowflake instead of AC. And over here it has an A. It does not have the M for manual. It's a little bit annoying. This is my biggest pet peeve, is this right here. These and this is cool. This right here is my biggest problem. But it's okay. At the end of the day, I know it's there. I'm gonna see if I can get them to make it with an M, but I know it's there. I know how to use it, how to function it. At the end of the day, it looks good, man. Looks real good. Alright, man, so for this one I already did one side. I have to figure out how to do it. So you got to basically pull it up, and once you pull it up, you pop this down to the, let's see if I can get a good angle for y'all, man. Down in here all the way to the bottom, just kind of pop up. Let's see if I can get this one for y'all. Hold on. This one already, once you pop that one, it kind of stays up on its own. Now you just pop this up in the corner there, and boom, pops right up. That's it right there. That is dirty. I'm gonna clean that out a little bit and get back with y'all. Now to put the other one in, it's literally just simple. Just place it right back. Man, y'all heard that thunder? It's crazy. So I'm gonna get this done quickly. That's why I can't do the other things for y'all. That's why I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this today either. So be back with that on. Alright, man, so I just have to clean that little button off a little bit. I did nothing crazy, not a crazy perfect job, but you know, whatever. So this one, you're just supposed to slide right in, really. Boom. And that's it, man. That is it. This one does not come with a light bar. It's the original. Switched it out to this one, and that looks a lot better. Works perfect. There's a perfect snap in place. Works great. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to do the button in this same video. So first thing you do is you try to get a pry tool or even a quarter. I just put it right here up top, right behind this, pulled it out. Now it's all coming out right here. And once you get it, you can just start pulling it apart. Don't be scared, don't crack it either. It's pretty hard to crack, but just be careful. Since I have a stainless steel, for me it's really not a thing. But yeah, so you remove all this, then you get back here, you need to disconnect it, and I'll show y'all afterwards. Alright, y'all, so there are 3 screws in the back. They are 3 T15s. Alright, 3 T15s, and 1 plug. That little, you gotta press up the top and then pull out. Pretty easy to take this out. There's a lot of videos on how to remove the button, how to remove this button, so I'm not going to teach you how to do that. I'm just going to get back to y'all when it's on, so you guys can see fitment and how it looks, man. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is the start stop button. I removed the start stop button, the red one. Alright, that's what it looks like right now. To get to the auto start stop, the engine auto start stop, dude, I'm kind of guessing here, and I'm kind of just like freeballing it. So from what I've come with is you need to remove the whole back of the button case, where there's a clip there, another clip there. Be careful not to break the little tabs because they're very fragile. Another clip there, another clip there, and I believe one here right in the middle. All right, that's to remove the whole backing of it. And now this is just kind of held in there by a little thing, so you just kind of pry to the side and then pop it out just like that, and it comes right out. Oh Jesus, I don't know what just fell. Hoping it's a little plastic piece, it doesn't matter. But now you just kind of pop this one back in. All right, boom, pop it in there, and now we pop in the back of it just like this. Everything went right in there, perfect. All right, how's that bounce again? We good. All right, so good there. Now, like I said, I took the red button off, put in the silver one. Oh, that's pretty easy. Just snap that right in there, right in place. And that's it, man. So now we got that in silver. So yeah, to remove this, you need to remove the whole back so you can get to the clips. It's no easy way to do it here, so yeah, real easy. Yes sir, and this is how we're looking. Yeah, that looks good, man. No sticking issues, none. Perfect. Perfect. It's getting dark already. This car has no electricity, so you already know. Soon I'm gonna do another little interior mod for y'all here, but for today I am done in the 5 Series. See y'all. Trying to get some more stuff for the 5 Series that I feel like I am missing, but little by little.